Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play I Can Be Your Hero Baby on guitar. We'll start by mastering the fundamental chords and a basic strumming pattern. The song primarily uses 4 common open chords: G major, E minor, C major, and D major. Concentrate on clean, clear sounds from each chord. For your strumming hand, try a simple down, up rhythm. This pattern will build a solid foundation, helping you develop muscle memory and confidence right from the start of your practice. Moving into the verse, the chord progression remains consistent, cycling through G, E minor, C, and D. For this section, aim for a slightly softer, more reflective feel. You can continue with the basic strumming pattern, or if you're feeling adventurous, try a simple fingerpicking approach. Focus on keeping a steady tempo, perhaps around 76 beats per minute, and ensure your chord changes are fluid. Repetition is key here. Play through the verse several times until it feels natural and smooth. Now for the memorable chorus, where the energy truly builds. The chord progression often simplifies to G, D, and C, but with a significant increase in dynamic intensity. You'll want to strum more forcefully here to create a powerful, anthemic sound. A great strumming pattern for the chorus is down, up. This rhythm provides a driving feel that perfectly complements the song's emotional core. Practice transitioning smoothly from the quieter verse to this more robust chorus. As you approach the bridge and out row, you'll find they often echo the chorus progression, maintaining that strong, uplifting feel. The key here is consistency in your strumming and clean chord changes. To truly master this song, dedicate about 15 to 20 minutes each day to practice. Listen to the original track frequently to internalize the timing and nuances. Remember, patience and persistence are your best friends on this musical journey. Enjoy playing this iconic tune.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.